Meghalaya, the abode of clouds, the land of pristine waterfalls and deep untouched valleys, has inspired travelers for generations. Also home to Asia's cleanest village, Molingong, Meghalaya holds stories hidden in every corner of its landscape. Beyond the well-trodden paths lies a quiet valley, untouched by mass tourism, a place waiting to be discovered, those who yearn for raw, natural beauty. The journey didn't start with a grand departure, but quietly, at a simple homestay in Nong Nong, peaceful and totally away from the usual tourist crowd. The morning came quietly in Nong Nong. After a quick breakfast, we set out on a 28-kilometer ride through winding mountain roads, heading towards the starting point of our trek, to Kyntaiai Valley. From a village in Warsaw, the trail led us into the valley. But starting the trek wasn't as simple as just walking straight ahead. The paths here split in many directions, so before moving on, we turned to the locals for guidance to make sure we were headed the right way. Step by step, the landscape began to change. Along the way, we found patches of pink wildflowers, small, delicate, yet bright enough to make the trail feel alive. On the way, an elderly man greeted us, who happily asked me to take his video as if to say, "Remember me, remember this land." He even offered us a wild local fruit called salong.
Yeah. Usolang.
Khasi solang.
Khasi solang. Tengata, kata mita. Thank you. क्या हाँ ठीक है जाइए अब आ रहे हैं
As we moved deeper into the valley, it was nothing less than a life painting. Here, you don't travel to see something, you travel to feel something, the way life used to be when nature was the default playground.
Funny? It's like a never-ending view, no? It's like goes on and on and on.
Yeah.
Let's keep on going. Chalo.
Crossing on a trunk looks risky at first, but then it feels natural, like this was always the way. Every turn looks the same, yet nothing feels repetitive. It's the kind of silence you don't get in cities. Not empty, but full. It's been almost an hour of trekking deep into the valley, but time here feels different. The climb, the distance, it all disappears when every turn opens to such beauty.
Almost there. Come on. Whew. Wow, man.
Let's take a break. I need water.
Okay.
Let's sit here.
Yeah, sure. That's quite steep, huh?
Yeah, the last one.
The last one, yes. My legs are shaking.
We have to cover it back again.
Yes. But once we go back, it takes less time, I guess, no? Have this. Give you some.
Yeah.
Up here, food is our fuel, the sky is our shade, and the ground is our seat. Somehow, this simplicity feels richer than any luxury.
It's 12:45. Let's keep on going.
Locals share a folklore about this place. They say The valley was born from a mud-slinging fight between two hills, and the meadows took shape from that battle. We don't know if it's true, but it adds a mystical layer to these rolling green hills. And walking through these meadows wasn't easy. The constant rise and fall of the land kept us on our toes. But that's what made the journey so alive.
Slowly.
All around us, horses grazed freely, used by the locals, probably for carrying goods across these meadows. Their presence made the valley feel even more timeless. And down here flows a small stream that reminds you how little it takes to feel alive. Just cool water on tired feet and the sound of nature all around.
Wow. What an idea.
Sugar. Fresh leaves.
Fresh, totally fresh. Exactly.
Here, you feel it clearly. Nature heals in ways nothing else can. Happiness has always lived in the little things. That's how our childhood was shaped. Being here together in a place so pure reminds us of those roots, of where our happiness truly began. Somewhere along the way, people have forgotten that the real happiness is always within them. We just need to open up your doors.
For how many minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
water just perfect. But I like it half done. Half done, yeah. Yes. Our picnic is small, but our view is endless. Sometimes that's all you need. Traveling here isn't about escaping life, it's about returning to it. The world is full of places like this, and we have so many more waiting to be explored. Until next time, this is the We Did Story signing off.